In this video, we are going to see the topic under for the module 5, which is a tutorial method. So in the tutorial class, we are going to discuss about some 3 problems, which is under for Newton's forward, backward, and also with Newton divided difference. And one more problem we are going to discuss under for the Lagrangian interpolations. Okay. So the first problem, for the following table, find the number of students who have obtained the 2 question is there, less than 45 marks and between 40 and 45 marks. Okay, they have some set of marks and the number of students also is given. Okay, so as we have already learned about the Newton's forward and backward, there will be a value of x will be in terms of only the discrete values. That means 30, 40, 50 will be there. So this type of value 30 to 40 marks 31 students, 40 to 50 will be 42 students, 50 to 60 will be 51, 60 to 70 is 35, 70 to 80 is 31. So this type of data for this marks will be there. No, this we use to tell it is a class interval. Okay, so as per then statistics, we have a 3 series. One is individual series and the discrete series and the continuous series. So this is nothing but it's in third type of data. It is a continuous series. Okay, from 30 to 40 marks, 31 students are there. But I can't able to use like this with the what is it in the interval type. Okay, so I have to make it as an discrete series. That means x values I need it separately. Okay, so first thing we are going to make it all in terms of here 30 to 40. So we are going to split with the individual some values. Okay, some 40 marks, 50 marks students we are going to segregate. Then we can go with the question. So first one less than 45 marks. The second one 40 and between of 40 and 45. So first you find 45 marks number of students and the 40 also you have to find. The difference you can calculate, you can get your second question. Okay, so we'll go for your solution. What is that? First one you can see 30 to 40 is 31 students. That means from 0 to 40, 31 students are there. So I can write it less than 40 marks is 31 student. Okay, the next one 40 to 50 is 42. So when I write less than of less than of 50 mark students, you are supposed to take it from 0 to 50. That's why it has been written 31 plus 42. So I can write it 31 plus 42. I'll get 73 students. The next one less than of 60. So 50 to 60, 51 students are there. From 30 to 40 plus 40 to 50, then 50 to 60 to be added. Okay, so I can add 31 plus 42 plus 73 or 73 plus 51. You can add it. 31 plus 42 plus 51 you can add, or you can add from the last value 73 plus 51 you will get 124. Similar, less than 70 marks. What is that? 124 plus 60 to 70, how many? 35. You can add, you will get 159. And then less than of 80 marks is 159 plus 31, you will get 190 students. Okay, so now we made it your x values. What is that? X value will be 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Corresponding y value is 31, 73, 124, 159 and 190 students. Got it? Now go to the first question. To find f of 45 at x is equal to 45, we need to find your y value. Okay, so now which is near to your x naught. So which one you can use? Use your Newton's forward interpolation formula. For that I need a table. Okay, so go to the interpolation table, write your x value. What is your x value? 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That corresponding y value which we have added one. Okay, this is only the y value because when x value is changing, y also should be changed. Okay, so y value is 31, 73, 124, 159 and 190. Now what is that? First difference. What is that? 73 minus 51. You see it is equal, isn't it? So we have already chosen Newton's forward. So 73 minus 31 is 42. 124 minus 73 is 51. 159 minus 124 is 35. 190 minus 159 is 31. Similar, del squared y, what is that? It is 9 minus 16 minus 4. The next come to the del cube, minus 25 and 12. Del power 4 is 12 plus 24 will get 37. So we found your difference table. Now go for your Newton's, what is it? Forward difference, formula. It is y naught plus r into del y naught plus r into r minus 1 2 factorial into del squared y naught up to del power 4. We should write the formula. Okay. So before into the substitution, we need to find your r value. What is your r? X minus x naught by h, which is 45 minus 40 by 10, which is equal to 0.5. Now substitute the formula and simplify. You will get f of 45 answer is 47.86. So where the y value is related with the number of students, it won't be like in decimal. So you can make it approximately 48 students. So exactly with, what is it? 45 marks students is 48 students are got it from 0 to 45. That means less than 45 marks. Now go to the second question. Between the number of students between 40 and 45. 45 we found. Then 40 already we have done it. From 40 marks 31 students. So difference of 48 minus 31, 17 students are between of 40 and 45. Okay. So that is a result of this question. Okay. One more problem. Using Newton's divided difference, find f of 8 and f of 15 from the following data. Okay. So in divided difference, no need to worry about which one forward or backward. So in the equations, you can substitute the formula. You can substitute x is equal to 8, you will get f of 8, and x is equal to 15, you will get f of 15. Okay. So x and f of x has been given. First thing, write here in the table x value and y value in the column 4, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13, the corresponding y value. After, go with your divided difference of y. How we will calculate? It is 100. That means y1 minus y0 by, what is that? x1 minus x0. Similar here, 294 is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Next one, y3 minus y2 by x2 minus x3 minus x2. Similar, you can fill your first column. And the next divided difference, what is that? This del values you are supposed to calculate, isn't it? So 97 minus 52 by x2 minus x0. 7 minus 4. Similar, you can calculate that divided difference y column, divided difference like del cube y column also, and del power y column. Since it is a 0, you can remove in the formula and the table we are supposed to show that. Next one, write a formula for divided difference up to del cube at x is equal to 8. Substitute at x is equal to 8 to the equation. You will get f of 8 is 442. At x is equal to 15, you will get the answer f of 15 is 3150. Okay. So you can verify from the calculator whether you are getting a correct answer. Right. So the next question, the following table gives the normal weight of a baby during first 8 months of a life. Okay. So it is related with the age and the baby weight has been given. So age in the month. Okay. 0, 2, 5, 8. And the weight is 6, 10, 12, 16. And estimate the weight of the baby at the age of the 7th month using the Lagrangian's interpolation. The question is directly asked to use here Lagrangian's interpolations at, what is that, x is equal to, what is that, x is equal to 7. We need to find your y value. The baby in the 7th month, what is the weight of your baby? Okay. So now what is that? The question is directly asked it, and Lagrangian's interpolations we should use. So write your all x0, x1, x2, x3 and the corresponding all the y values. Then substitute to the formula. What is that? In the formula you can substitute, then you can simplify. We can able to reach your result. Okay. When you are writing that formula, make sure the first one will be your y0 term, and it's supposed to start from x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, and denominator all the terms similar, supposed to be subtracted with your x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3, and the last term also is supposed to end with x minus x2, and all the term will be subtracted with x3. Okay. So x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2. Then what you have to do, all the corresponding value of your x values and y value to be replaced to the equation and simplify. You will get approximately is 13.97. It's approximately, it is a roundup of that, you will get it 14. So weight of the baby at the age of 7th month is 14 pound. Okay. So this is by using a Lagrangian's interpolations formula. Okay, that's all. Thank you.